Shoutout kay Christmas Bay, padayon sa imuang mga contents. Kanalang more followers, subscribers para sa imuang padayon ganda siya.
Consider the support. So we have food, we have agriculture, we have ICT, metals engineering, furniture, marine aquaculture, health and pharmaceutical. So karon nangutan namin ni Manang Merly. Manang Merly, unsa may iyong business? Ay dong, naghimo kong tabliya. Igo sa manufacturing for food business. Next slide please. So I want you to have this, what is a small enterprise technology upgrading program na assistance. So since we are going, it is a comprehensive package. We have innovation enabling fund, which I will provide it later. Technology needs assessment, laboratory testing, packaging and labeling, trainings, science and technology consultancy, process and product development, value chain development, and network and linkages. Next slide please. So we provide Manang Merly sa iyang tablia business a set-up innovation fund. Kani siya, yes, it is a fund. A funding for equipment, packaging, and product testing. It is a rent-to-own equipment, payable for 3 years, with 1 year grace period. Sus, pinakadindot, 0% interest. And 1 year of the operation of the enterprise of your business. So if you are going to operate for 1 year along with the priority sector, you can avail this setup program or small enterprise upgrading program. Nindot, no? So makapataas og kilay ang 0% interest, no? Next slide please. Okay. The setup innovation approval, no? It depends on the business that we are going to check its financial status or outside that sa iyong financial health sa iyong negosyo, but we are going to provide at least 3 million below with the approval of the regional director, and the 3 million above is the approval of the DOST secretary. Next slide please. So kinsa may mo apply? Going back ni Manang Merly na naitabli a business, ato i-check. Manang Merly, kailangan Filipino-owned firms. All micro and small medium enterprises belong to the priority sector. Technological concerns and challenges, kailangan naakay problema sa inyong business, especially kung manual ang process sa inyong negosyo, o duly registered micro and small medium enterprises. So, what are the specific requirements? Okay, no? Guwapo kayo, no? Business permit and licenses, certificate of registration, board resolution, and this project, it is a proposal-based program, and with financial statement, and also technology quotation. So we have to package that, and we have to provide certain kind of recommendation from the regional office. But you don't have to worry about that. If you are interested and you are hitting the main requirements, we are going to help you with DOST PSTO Cebu. Next slide please. So, since, no, okay, si Manang Merly sa iyang tablia business, amo nang nagtabangan karon, no? Karon na ana siya automated roasting machine. Karon na ana siya automated mixing. Karon na ana siya grinder o melanger machine. Si Manang Merly naglingkod-lingkod na lang. Si Manang Merly kuha na lang sa employment sa mga workers, no? para magbuhat sa iyang proseso. But dili pa na enough. Dili pa na enough. Because we have to capacitate our employees or even ourselves. Salamat sa iyong consultancy, Dong. Okay na ko, nilambo na akong kuan, pero Dong, ganahan ko na mo product development. Ganahan ko na ma-preserve pa ang tabliya. So we have Food Innovation Center. Food Innovation Center located at CITU. No? It really helps you to provide transforming your ideas into products. We have equipment such as spray dryer for producing dry powder, water retort for the thermal processing, vacuum fryer, and cabinet dryer. So ni-expand, langayo siya og development sa iyang produkto. So nidaghan ang iyang mga tabliya products, no? Dili lang kani na tabliya para sa sikwati, kundi na pa si chocolate drink, no? So with the help of the Food Innovation Center. Next slide please. So niana say na sir, Dong Rino, ni-required ang FDA to really require ang FDA para sa pag-increase akong quality sa akong produkto. Manang Merly, di ka mabalaka kay naatay laboratory testing. Laboratory testing, it provides you to level up the standards of your quality of your products. It is very important because that is the regulatory or the legal standards upon commercializing your products. So naatay laboratory testing. So for example, naatay shelf life testing for food products, nutrient analysis. We also have non-food laboratory services such as analytical testing, calibration, and certification, and especially if you are a furniture business, we have furniture testing. Next slide please. For the packaging and labeling, no? Nindot na kay quality, nindot na kay operation, utukan pa kaayo si Manang Merly kung unsa gyud ang standard sa iyang produkto. We are going to improve the packaging and labeling. With that is packaging is really important because diha nakasulod ang imong produkto. And by that is, we want our customer, we want our clients to have a catch of eye of your product. And by that is not only to catch an eye of the customer of your product, but also maintain high standard of quality even inside of that packaging. We have a set of experts for that to really guide you in what are consultancy of appropriate materials. And we also have training in how you can improve more of your packaging and labeling. First things first, I want you to innovate. I want you to create and I want you to provide solutions or products that will really cater or satisfy your customers and clients. I want you to stay connected with the DOST or Department of Science and Technology Region 7. Let's work together to create a greater impact. And by here is the DOST Region 7, dili mawagtang, dili mahawa. We are always here and open our doors for you to start with your business and with your improvements of your operations of your business. We are here to guide you. Ayaw ikulong ang iyong mga ideas. Ayaw lang ibutang sa iyong hunahuna. Kundi buhata pa. Buhata aron para sa iyong pamilya, sa anak o sa komunidad. So, you can visit us with our office here at the Lahug Science Technology Complex at Sudlon Lahug, Cebu City, sa DOST. So we have also our telephone number if you are going to contact us, and also email us at dostcebu@region7.dost.gov.ph.